Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete all posts on your Facebook using Android. If you want to clean up your profile or start fresh, this is the easiest way to do it. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in and at the home screen. Now you'll need to go to your profile. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right of the screen, and then tap on your profile name. Okay, once you're on your profile, scroll down until you see your post section. Look for Manage Posts and tap on it. This will show you all the content you've posted on your profile. Here's the thing. Now you can tap and select all of your posts that you want to delete. You'll see checkboxes appear next to all your posts. Tap Select All option if you see it, or manually select everything to mark every single post. All the checkboxes will be checked now. Now, look at the top of the screen and tap on Next icon. In the menu that pops up, select Move to Trash or Delete Posts. Facebook will ask you to confirm. Just tap Delete Posts again, and all your selected posts will be permanently removed from your profile. And that's it. All your Facebook posts are now deleted. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.